Hello, it's Dawn's Inspirations here. I just wanted to share with you what you're going to get in the Celebr8 mini kit. So this is It's a Guy thing. So we'll open up the plastic wallet and see what we get in here. So let's start with these. So straight away you've got some lovely epoxy stickers, some ribbon as well, some like balsa, like chipboard, like I wouldn't call it wood, it's more like a balsa wood, okay, but it's not a chipboard. All right, and these, they've just got the little elements like here, you just snip those with a pair of scissors, so you can cut those up and use parts of them, use words, that sort of thing. And then we've got the pattern papers. So you've got here, it says 24 double-sided pattern papers, some cardstock. They're calling them wood chipboard words in your stickers. So let's have a look. I'm going to do it this way so you can see the A and the B side. So as you can see, you get two of each. So that's what I would call the A side, and that's the B side. So that's one of those. They're nice thick cardstock, as you know with Celebr8. I think it's 240 GSM. So again, you've got A and B side. It's a lovely colour palette, this, not too in your face, quite a nice colour palette. But also remember, you've got these parts down here that you can use, these borders, all extra wording that you can use there. So let's turn that one over. So that's your A and your B side for this. So again, you're getting two of these. So don't forget that. Let's flip this one over. And there's your A and your B side here. Okay, and you know the wording's great, you know, once used or once tried, always used. You know, these are brilliant for men, so, or the boys in your life. So, you know, yes, it might look just like a pattern, but if I go up close, can you see it's like all the drill bits? But if you got it on a paper, it would look like a pattern, so it'd work perfectly as well for teenagers. So we've got some rulers going on with this one. A dad is the anchor upon which his children stand. And you've got those lovely rulers there. But you see, I'll be cutting these off and using these through my projects. So we've got some nice bolts going, or the nuts going on there. A dad is a hero his son hopes to be. How lovely is that? Turn that one over. Now let's see if we get, yes, we get two of the borders as well. So you've got two of these lovely borders, and on the reverse you've got this this wood flooring look. Okay, and it says you are truly a 1 in a million husband. So again, these words could be used on birthday cards, anniversary cards, all sorts of things. But you've got all these different banners and that going on. And you will notice, like with Celebr8, you get this black line, and that's where you cut. So it makes life a lot easier. All the cutter parts, I'm going to turn that over. Look, there we go. All those tools and bits of cutter parts. You've got two sheets of those. But on the reverse, you've got cutter part cards that you could use in your projects as well. Oh, we've got two in here as well. So let me flip this one over. So again, a lovely sheet of cutter parts with for some fantastic sentiments, you know, funny, handsome, strong, happy, clever, marvellous. And then down here it spells father. You know, you've got the denim colour going on here, but on the reverse you see you've got those lovely papers. Lots of words going on. Again, you're getting two sheets of these. On the reverse you've got this lovely blueprint. And then on the A side, let me pick this up. Look at all those fabulous words that you could use. You could cut those out. You could just use that as a total background. You know, there's several ways these can be used because you're going to get two in each. And then we've got the, I'm going to turn that over. You've got the lovely cut around part. So we've got some tags going on here. You've got the circles, you know, Celebr8 are renowned for these. It says cut with a 1-inch circle punch. You could always use a die as well. Choice is yours. Some tags, some other little tag elements. And then on the reverse, you've got your stripy paper, but of course you get 2. And then you've got a couple of sheets of plain white card that you may wish to use. So this is everything that you're going to get in your It's a Guy thing. This is a mini kit, so you're going to get all your papers, your ribbon, your chipboard and your epoxy stickers.